Commas divide a sentence into parts so that the sentence is easier to read. Here are 6 rules for the use of commas. Commas set off words that introduce the sentence. When in doubt, comma, consult a dictionary for the correct spelling. Although the bill passed in the House, comma, the Senate minority killed it with a filibuster. Nevertheless, comma, a new policy will bring new challenges. Commas set off words that provide supplemental information. Eric Weihenmayer is the first blind person to climb Mount Everest, comma, which is 29,000 feet high. The star witness, comma, who was a loyal employee, comma, stunned the entire courtroom. Medical records, comma, for example, comma, are now stored electronically. Commas are used with direct quotations. According to Jordan 2011, comma, parkour is taught as a college course, page 5. The manufacturer claims, comma, our plexiglass is the most common bulletproof material sold today. Artificial intelligence is unlikely to exhibit human emotions, comma, wrote John McCarthy in 1956. Commas set off transitions, contrasted elements, and other interrupters. The American cyclist tested positive and, comma, as a result, comma, was disqualified. The new government offered peace, comma, not confrontation, comma, to its oldest enemy. The prosecutor's lenient plea deal was, comma, amazingly, comma, rejected. Commas separate words in a series. The Mississippi River has created a wide, comma, swampy region in southern Louisiana. Their society became polarized by inequality, comma, injustice, comma, and indifference. The company's ethical code promotes speaking with candor, comma, listening with empathy, comma, and achieving a work-life balance. Commas are used before a coordinating conjunction that joins 2 sentences. The book's references are listed at the end, comma, and they introduce several new studies. Western States ultramarathon had never been won by a woman, comma, but that changed in 2018 with Courtney Dauwalter's victory. Latin is supposedly a dead language, comma, yet it remains a vital field of study for biblical scholars. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, yet, and so.